Hello everyone, I hope everyone out here is doing fine. My name is Rohit Ashok. I'm a digital marketing trainer. Today I'm going to discuss about how to create an advert account and how to create your first advertisement without paying any single penny to Google. So first of all, what we need to do is let's go ahead and start understanding how to create an advert account. So first type adwords dot google.com. So this is the fresh advert account we are going to create, and then based on that we are also going to create our first advertisement. So now you need to provide the name of your website. So I'll just provide the name of my website here. Once you come up here, so how it starts actually, once you open up any adverts, so first thing will appear here is at this side it will appear sign in, and here it will appear as a here at this point appear as a start now. So for all the beginners, you go ahead and click start now. Now after we provide this email ID and name of the website, we need to understand whether we should provide this as you want personalized tips or not, or if you don't want, you can put no. As of now, for beginners, it is always advisable that you go with yes. Then you click continue. So now just click continue. Once you click continue, it will take you to a new window where you need to provide some basic details. So let's go ahead and understand those basic details, and then based on that we'll be creating our advertisement. So it's redirecting to a new platform. So it will normally it will take us to Adword Express, but make sure that we should not start with Adword Express. So pick a goal for your ad. What action do you most want customer to? Call business, visit your storefront, take an action on your website. So we'll just go ahead with this and we'll just click take an action on your website. Now it is taking me to Adword Express. I need to stay in AdWords, not in Adword Express. So I'll go back and I'll just click recommended for us is Adword Express, but I'll go to AdWords only because we need AdWords. So I'll just click AdWords. So in the next video I'll be telling you the difference between AdWords and Adword Express. Basically we need to understand this first. Now the first step, it is asking us to create our first campaign. You need to set a budget. So just give any budget as of now, just for your understanding. Give 1500 rupees per day. Then location, if you're in India, choose India. Network, definitely we'll be creating search, display both, so we'll be click both. Then keywords, so these are as per the website which I have already provided over there, shopnighter.com. so based on that, Google Adword already picked up some of the keywords. It's scanned my website and picked up the keywords. Now you can also put your own keywords. Suppose I just want to put shopping online, so I'll type shopping online here and I'll save it. So it will give me the search popularity. So this is average monthly searches I'll get, and then I already added this word. So now next is to put your bid, so how much you want to spend for per click. So bid is nothing but the maximum amount which you would like to pay for per click on your advertisements. So it's better to set up a manual bid. Just for an example, we'll put 10 rupees, and then we'll be writing first uh, ad, just for understanding. You can write or you can leave it, not an issue. Even you leave it, we'll be moving to the advert account. So you just write best hotel in town, and then get the best discount ever. Description: 5-star facilities, restaurant, and many more. Just for an example we are putting this. So if once I'm putting out here, things are changing over here. Just save this. We'll be creating an ad when we'll move to the next level. So just click and continue. Once we click and continue, advert will ask for a payment. So this is where is the trick is, as of now we don't want to pay any money, and we just want to learn how to create ads. And once we'll be planning that we'll live our ad, on that case we'll only be paying. As of now, just to learn how to create ad, how to make changes, how to play with the different campaign type. So we'll be creating the account and understanding how to actually go ahead step by step to create a particular ad. So let's go ahead and go to the payment part. So we are in India, the time zone is this. Introductory offer, if you have any coupon code, so you can use this. Yes, here for us is we'll be choosing individual account, because if we go for business account, they'll be asking for a lot of information. So it's better to go for an individual account. And registered individual, tax no, unregistered individual, we need not to provide this. This is basically not required. Just go ahead and put the detail: name, address, 11 B Malviya Nagar, city New Delhi, pin code 110017, and then state, definitely we have to choose the state. So we'll be putting all the basic details. Yes, here in automatic payment you need to select manual, because let money deduct manually. So don't worry, we are not going to do something where you'll be paying anything to Google. As of now we'll be doing manually, and we'll be checking how to avoid payment here. So let it be like this. Then in the payment method, go ahead and choose net banking. So once you choose net banking, you need to provide agree to the term advert terms and condition, finish and create an account. So once you click finish and create account, it will ask you for this, registered or unregistered. Just type unregistered. If you type unregistered, it'll be asking PAN number. Optional, we will just click registered. GST optional. So there is no such requirement as of now. Just click OK. So it is taking me to the transaction. Complete this transaction. I can either go ahead and complete the transaction, or I can simply cancel it and I can continue. So you can choose and cancel it, not an issue. You can close the window. So now your advert account is ready. Congratulations on your new advert account. You can go to your advert account from here. So this is how we create, advert account. After coming out here, it will take you to some tour to understand this account. So we'll be not going with this, let me not go with this. Let's yes, exit. So first thing, what we need to do is we need to create our campaign. So there are three steps in any advert account. One is your campaign. Under that campaign you have ad groups, and under ad groups you have ads. So there are, we can create in one advert account more around 10,000 campaigns. In one campaign we can create around 20,000 of ad groups, and in one ad group you can create 50 ad maximum. So how to start with creating one ad? So I'll be discussing only one ad today, and then we'll be discussing more of ads and more of ad creation in the next video. So how to do that? So you can see that, as I said, there are three levels. Campaign, number one. Under campaign you have uh, your ad group, and under ad group you have ads. So campaigns are basically your marketing objective, what exactly you want. In general term, any message you want to spread to the masses is basically your campaign. So through any activities. So let's go ahead and choose one of our campaigns. So here in this tab, just click to the drop down buttons. You will find there are 6 type of different campaigns. So we'll be going with search network only. Why search network only? Because search network is the first primary advert campaign which normally one create on Google search engine, because a lot of people, almost 60-70% people are on Google search engine. They search results over Google search engine. So based on that, we'll be going with the search network only first. So search network, we'll be clicking search network. Once we click that, it will prompt us to a new window where it will ask our campaign name. So just go ahead and give a fashion funda, give a name. Then there are certain criteria over here. What are those criteria? One is your standard, other is all features. So standard, keyword target text ads on Google search result. All features involves a lot of features which you'll definitely find all these details below here. So let's go ahead and go with the all search features, so that you'll find the all features out here. And other objective which we have is a mobile app installation, mobile app engagement, dynamic search ad, and call only ad. So we'll search for all and we'll understand all, but let's go with all features first. So in the network, we'll be choosing Google search network plus include Google search partners. So whoever are partners of Google search network, so we'll be also including that. Device, by default it will be all device, mobile, that means smartphones, and then tablets and desktops. Yeah. In the location field, you can choose all the location, you can choose your own country, or if you want to go with specific location, you can simply type the name of this specific location. It will appear here. You can add. If you want to exclude some of the location, you can simply type the location and you can exclude from here. So this is how we do that. Or what you can do is, suppose you are staying in certain locality, certain area, and you want to target only 2 to 5 kilometer of a radius. Suppose you have a cake shop, dessert shop, you have a restaurant, or maybe you have dental clinic or any clinic, and you want to target people staying in the radius of 5 to 10 kilometer. In that case, what you have to do is, under location you click advanced search. Now here go to radius targeting and choose any of the areas. Suppose for an example I want to choose Hos Khash as a place in New Delhi. I'll be choosing kilometer and I will be targeting 5 kilometer radius. So I'll just click Hos Khash. So this is the area which is covering Hos Khash, and then I'll just click add. So this area is added. I want to exclude some of the area here, so I'll just be typing a Chini is one of the place in Hodgkins area. So I'll be just choosing and searching this area. So this is the area I'll be excluding 1 kilometer of Achini. So I'll be excluding this area, exclude. So this is the area which I have excluded. So you can exclude or include any area as per the radius which you require. So we can always exclude or include any area which we require. So this is entire Hodgecast, and I'm excluding a Chini. So you can always click done, and you can add and remove all those things. As of now, we'll go with India. Then in the language, maybe I'm targeting to different countries, so I'll be choosing different languages apart from English. If I am targeting to people from Greece, so I'll be choosing Greek. From Portugal, so we'll be choosing Portuguese. If we are targeting Russian people, then we'll be using Russian language. So it's up to you whether which location you're targeting. Then we'll move to bid strategy. So there are two types of strategies which Google provides us. One is a manual strategy, and another is a automatic strategy. So there are certain different type of automatic strategy. So there are strategies called target search page location, so that sets bids to help you get your ads to the top of the page or on the first page of a search results. You can target CPA, that means cost per acquisition. You can also target return on ad spent, target outranking, minimize, maximize clicks, maximize conversion, EPC. As of now, let's go ahead with manual, and then give a default bid rate as 10 rupees and total budget choose as 1500. Then you can also choose the delivery method, how you want. A standard delivery, that means optimized delivery at spending budget evenly, or you want a accelerated one because you want to spend a lot of money and let the ad come as frequent as. So I'll be going with the standard. Yes, so this is basically something which creates two major impact on any of your ad. One is to make your ad look more promising, looks attractive, it look very informative. Apart from that, if you want to provide any extra information to your advertisement, so you can use ad extensions. So this location extension is basically to provide location related information. Site links is basically additional links to your different products, services, or whatever section you want to provide in the form of links. Call is basically simply one can call directly to your company or any of your representative. App is basically to download a mobile app or tab app. This review is basically an extension which is from the third party, so you'll be using their link to put to your advertisements. Call outs are basically this one. Call outs are basically a extended form of description to your extended form of descriptive text to your description. So whatever description you'll be putting on your ads. And then structured snippets is basically structured form of your services offers which you provide in a structured form. For example, let's go ahead and check with one of the company, buy hotels online. So if I go here, and these are the ads I can see. So this which you are seeing out here is basically this is your site links. This one which you see over here is basically your description, and this is your review. And if I go to another ad out here, yeah, so there are another ad as well here. So you'll find the site links over here, you'll find descriptions. Yeah, here you're finding the site links, descriptions. This is your callouts. This is again site links. This is again site links. And this is basically Google has come up with three new extensions. So those are message extension, affiliate extension, and price extension. So this is basically a price extension kind of a thing. Now I'm just looking structured snippet for you. So all these are basically, you know, different form of extension. So let's go ahead and type dental clinic and check. So yeah, so this is the services which this dental clinic is providing. So this is basically your structured snippet. So this is a service structured snippet. Let me take you to some another ad. So this is the description, this is their extended description, this is also a kind of description. Yes, here over here we can see that we were talking about location, so they have also given a location extension over here, and then timings and other details, and this is a form of the services structure snippet they have provided. So this is how we do this. So we can add any of this. We just need to go ahead and click add, and then if you have added your business to Google business account, you can choose that business. Or if you want to add any site links, just go ahead. You just need to add new site link, provide the link over here, provide URL over here. For example, best clinic, right? Let's write dental surgery, and then give whatever link you have, dental clinic for example. So if I have any of the link, for example this link, I'm not just for example I'm using this link, I'm not going to use this. So you can put it over here and just save it. Just save it. So once you save it, you'll find the link at this side, but then as we have no permission, so we'll just simply delete this link. Will not be using this link anymore. In the same way you can use call out, in the same way you can use other app. So just go ahead and to the next section. So next section is basically about scheduling your ads. So whenever and what time, what date you want your person or people who are searching over Google to see your ad, so you can choose that from here. Now you can go to ad delivery rotation. So these are the four basic options which you can choose. Optimize for clicks, so ads expected to provide more clicks, so you can choose that. You can also choose that rotate evenly or rotate definitely. So you can, let's go ahead with optimize for click. Let Google optimize it for click. The dynamic ad definitely will be doing this, because this is basically for remarketing, and we also do dynamic ads for for getting more of clicks on our ads and more of conversions. But as of now will not be going with this, and will not be discussing much about this. We'll definitely be discussing more over this particular topic once we'll be doing remarketing, and also why dynamic ad, when we'll be creating dynamic ad. So we'll be learning more about, specifically on this topic, more about dynamic ads. What happened is, dynamic ad is basically it picks up your headlines or whatever meta tag, meta description you have defined inside your page, and based on that it just changes automatically the headings of your ads. But we'll not be going much with this. And then this is an advanced option, so let's simply go ahead and click save and continue. So after this it will take me to the ad group page, the new window. So we'll be going and giving a name to our ad group. So fashion funda group. Now we need to create there are different form of ads, so we need to create ads: text ad, dynamic ad, mobile apping agent, call only. So we'll be creating text ads. So we'll be just giving the final URL. So your final URL is your landing page URL, where you want your person or visitors to land. So if I write like this, so or men, and then I'll be giving headlines. So buy best clothes online. Then there are character limitations in the headlines, that is 30, including uh, spaces, discounts. So I have a, then you can always give path to. So path, what is path? Basically, suppose if I go and buy clothes online, so if I go with this, so you can see the path is basically, the primary website name, and then you have some uh, permalink, and then this. So this is basically your path. Under best price you have clothes, under clothing you have men. So this is basically your path. So we'll be discussing about this more into different video, but as of now this is how we give path. And now you can choose your description. So you know best. So I've given some description. So once I'm doing this, you can change, you can find changes over here, right? This is a mobile version, how it will look in desktop. So this is how my ad will look in desktop. So, and now it is suggesting me to provide several keywords. So keywords are basically those words which people are searching over Google search engine, and based on that there are certain results appears on Google's first page, that is search engine result page. So you can always type your own keyword, and you can add that if somebody is searching these keywords. So you can add this keywords, men clothes. So I just type this, and then I can check estimated traffic. After this I'll give a there is a default bid. I just need to click save ad group. So once I click save ad group, my ad is done. So once I save ad group, I can see that these are the keywords which I have just used, and it is saying it's below first page. So I have to give increase the bid rate so that it will appear on my it will appear on the first page of Google when people search for the ads. How we do this, just click here and check the price. So you can see the price 1674. So I'll just click here. So this is basically your keywords. Now to check your ad, you need to click this ad tab. So this is the ad which you have created, and it is under review. So guys, this is how we create advert account, and then how we create our first ad without paying a single penny to Google. To make this ad live, you need to go to the billing details, and you need to do payment to the Google so that your ad become live. How to do that is a very simple step. You just you just go over here on this symbol, go over here on this symbol, go to billing and payment. Go to billing and payment, and now make a payment. That's all. So your ad will become live. So guys, thank you so much for checking your ad which you have created. How to do that? Go to the all campaign part, go to your campaign, check the campaign which you have created, click that campaign. Under that campaign you'll find your group, so click that group and check your ad. For creating more group, you can always create ad group. For creating more ads, you can always create, under ads you can always create more ads, you can always do that. So I hope this is clear, how to create an advert account and how to create your first search engine ad campaign. Thank you so much for patiently watching this video. I request all of you who has viewed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, or with your relatives. And if you have any comment, any feedback, please write, post below this video. I would definitely appreciate a lot if you can share and subscribe my channel. I will request everyone to subscribe this channel to get more of such videos. I keep updating with lot of new topics, new videos. I create videos for all social media, I create videos for all AdWords account. So I would request everyone to subscribe my channel so that you get updated yourself with digital marketing world. Thank you so much everyone.